Foggy morning everyone. So we are on our way to New Delhi to pick up my OCI card, and then nagbus lang pala kami from Hisar to New Delhi, and kung makikita nyo kanina, foggy siya kasi umulan kagabi kaya kaninang umaga super lamig. 5:30 ng umaga kami umalis dito sa Hisar, nakarating kami sa New Delhi ng around 9 AM. No need for appointment kapag nag-pick up kayo ng iyong OCI card. Just go to the FRRO office, bring the receipt and your passport. And then, there you have it. Makukuha nyo na yung OCI. Ayan. So, finally, di ba? What? Duh. We're going to? We're going to Red Fort. So, we're in the
give me your ticket.
Train.
We'll ask some service guy.
What service guy? So, like I'm in Hong Kong. Feels.
स्टेशन दिल्ली स्थिति में आपातकालीन अलार्म.
Nakalabas na kami sa station. Nasa likod yung Red Fort. Ayan o. So, ayan na guys. Ang daming tao guys oh. Ayan na. Pupunta kami sa entrance. Yay! Red Fort! Ang daming tao. 16th century.
400 years old.
So ito yung entrance. Pero kukuha pa kami ng ticket there. Dito yung ticket. Yung kinuha namin na ticket is with museum, bali 80 rupees per person. With museum only and the Red Fort. By the way, yung entrance fee dito is depende kung ikaw ay Indian national or a foreigner. Mas mahal yung foreigner guys. Pero ako, hindi na ako considered as foreigner kasi meron akong Aadhaar card. So make sure to bring your Aadhaar card bago kayo pumunta dito. Okay? 400 years old. Look at this. Wow. Red Fort or Lal Killa is one of India's most iconic historical monuments located in Delhi. It was constructed by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1648 when he decided to shift his capital from Agra to Delhi. The fort serves as the main residence of the Mughal emperors for nearly 200 years until the British took over in 1857. So nakabili ako ng bagong earrings guys. Bagong look. So namili si Gorab dito oh. Ako naman video. Puno ng mga tinda dito oh. Ibang ganda pala ng Red Fort.
This might be the place where.
Hey, this is the celebration of my OCI Red Fort adventure. So yeah, there.
Creep.
So now we are here in the museum guys. For sure, during those times, ito yung gamit nilang sandata during the digmaan. Yung mga sword, arrows, and then meron din silang display dito na old newspaper. So, diba? Amazing.
At some point in the history, these were working.
Yeah. We're on exit super fast. Ayun, so finally, meron na akong diba? Meron na tayong OCI and ayun, so gabi na nga kami nakauwi ng Hisar guys, mga 7 PM na kasi medyo natagalan kami doon sa Red Fort kasi ang dami naming binisita. Pero okay lang kasi nasulit namin yung pagbisita ulit sa Delhi. So yun, meron na tayong OCI. Kaya ready na akong umuwi. And yeah, that's all for today's video. And yung next video ko is about naman kung paano mag-apply ng OCI. So, thank you so much for watching.